Hello there, welcome to our channel. Have you ever chatted with an AI? Maybe you've asked it to write a poem about a robot or explain quantum physics like I am 5. It seems almost magical how it mimics human intelligence. But have you ever wondered how it really learns? What's the secret behind its vast knowledge and problem-solving skills? Well, today we're going to uncover the mystery of AI learning. How does it work, when does it learn, and where does the magic happen? Get ready for an eye-opening journey into the world of artificial intelligence. Alright, let's dive into the first part of this puzzle. How does AI learn? Put simply, AI doesn't learn the way we do. It doesn't feel, think, or dream. Instead, it learns by processing mountains of data. It's like teaching a parrot to speak. If you give it enough practice, it will eventually mimic human speech. Similarly, AI takes in text, images, or numbers. Then it finds patterns and relationships within the data. For example, if it sees a cat with pointy ears and whiskers, it might conclude that these features are typical of cats. These patterns are stored in something called an algorithm, which is like a recipe book for making predictions. One common algorithm used by AI is a neural network, a complex web of mathematical functions inspired by the human brain. As the AI processes more data, the algorithms adjust themselves to make better predictions. Think of it like a basketball player practicing free throws. At first, their aim might be off, but with practice, they improve their technique and accuracy. In the same way, AI becomes more accurate over time. This process of adjusting algorithms and improving accuracy is known as machine learning. It enables AI to continuously refine its ability to recognize patterns and make predictions based on new data. So that's how AI learns, by finding patterns in data and refining its algorithms through machine learning. But you might be wondering, when does this learning happen? Is it a one-time thing, or does it continue over time? To answer that, let's look at when AI learns. Most of AI's learning happens before you ever interact with it. During the training phase, engineers feed AI vast amounts of data to help it build general knowledge. For instance, teaching it about the world, how things work, and even how to generate text or images. Once it has a basic understanding of the world, it can be fine-tuned for specific tasks like diagnosing medical conditions or translating languages. Imagine a student going to school. They learn fundamental subjects like math and science in primary school and then specialize in their chosen field in college. Similarly, AI goes through a rigorous education to become a well-rounded problem solver and then specializes in a particular area for practical applications. Now, some AI systems can adapt and learn in real time as they interact with users. However, most AI doesn't keep learning unless it's specifically retrained with new data. Just like humans, AI needs a refresher course from time to time. So that's when AI learns, during its extensive training and occasional refresher courses. Now let's explore where this learning takes place. Where does AI learn? AI learning happens in some pretty fascinating places. Most of it occurs in giant data centers, filled with rows upon rows of servers running complex algorithms. These servers are owned by tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI, who provide cloud-based AI services to developers. Some AI learning also takes place on your devices. For example, your smartphone or laptop can learn your typing style or voice commands. However, most of the heavy lifting is done in those sprawling data centers humming with activity. Think of it like a massive library filled with countless books, each containing valuable information. The servers in these data centers are constantly searching through the vast collection of data, looking for patterns and insights. It is a never-ending quest for knowledge that drives the evolution of AI and enables it to solve increasingly complex problems. So that's where AI learns in data centers and on your devices. We've covered how, when, and where AI learns, but there's still one crucial question. What's the mystery behind it? Why do scientists find it difficult to understand why AI makes certain decisions? What are emergent abilities, and does AI really know anything? Well, let's delve into the final piece of the puzzle, the mystery of AI learning. Despite its impressive capabilities, AI still has its share of mysteries. One of the biggest challenges in AI research is explaining why an AI system arrives at a particular conclusion or makes a specific prediction. This is known as the black box problem. Even the most advanced AI algorithms are often seen as black boxes. We know what goes in, the input data, And what comes out? The output result, but the decision-making process in between remains hidden and opaque. It's like trying to understand the logic of a foreign language without knowing the language itself. Scientists and researchers are working hard to develop more transparent and interpretable AI systems. But for now, the black box problem remains a significant hurdle in the field of artificial intelligence. Another fascinating aspect of AI learning is the emergence of new abilities or emergent abilities. Sometimes AI develops skills that were not explicitly programmed into it. For example, an AI system designed to play chess might also learn to play other board games without being specifically instructed to do so. This ability to generalize beyond its training data is a testament to the power of machine learning and the complexity of AI systems. Finally, the question of whether AI really knows anything is still a subject of debate among experts. Since AI doesn't have a physical body or personal experiences, it doesn't know things in the same way that humans do. Instead, it has learned to recognize patterns and make predictions based on the data it has been fed. So does AI really know? It might not be a simple yes or no answer, but rather a matter of perspective and definition. And that brings us to the end of our journey into the world of AI learning. We've explored how AI learns by processing vast amounts of data, when it learns mainly during extensive training phases, and where it learns in data centers and on our devices. We've also delved into the mysteries surrounding AI learning, such as the black box problem, emergent abilities, and the question of whether AI truly knows anything. Remember, AI is not human, but it makes us question what learning and intelligence really mean. Thank you for joining us on this episode. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology.